Welcome to Define Furnishing. My name is Susan Pan. I am the company's co-founder. We are a China-based company specialized at interior design, furniture customization, and provide one-stop solution until installation at sites. We are number one in hospitality one-stop solution. We design, we furnish. Make sure turn the design into reality. We focus on details and craftsmanship. Make sure quality is the first. Variety product option, budget is in control. We know how to meet your needs and kill your pain. We have good experience from successful projects all over the world. For every project, we start from understanding your intent and budget. From drawings to mock-up, from production to delivery, every step is fully managed. Clients like to work with us and reputed us in hospitality markets because of our continued professional support over the project process with one-stop solution. We don't just produce furniture, we design, we furnish. Work with Define, you will have a professional consultant help you decide and build.